कौमी असम्बली के इजलास इस वक्त जारी, आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं। वफाकी वज़ीर आज़म नज़ीर तारड़ इस वक्त खिताब कर रहे हैं।
With exceptional restraint and responsibility, and through a measured and befitting response, pays rich tribute to the brave martyrs who laid down their lives in defense of the motherland, and solemnly acknowledges their supreme sacrifice as a symbol of national pride, resilience, and unity. Expresses sincere gratitude to the friendly countries for their support to Pakistan at this critical juncture. Reiterates its pledge to regional and global peace with dignity and honor, while underscoring that democracies are committed to dialogue, not conflict. Therefore, highlights that secure neighborhood and long-term stability in South Asia can only be achieved through sincere and structured negotiations. Urges the authorities to actively engage the international community in efforts to resolve the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the aspirations of Kashmiri people and the relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions. Stresses the importance of ensuring the full implementation of the Indus Water Treaty and affirms the safeguarding of Pakistan's water rights as a critical component of national security, and resolves that this House shall continue to play its constitutional role in safeguarding national interest and promoting peace, unity, and security for the people of Pakistan and people living in this region.
Now I put the resolution to the House. The question is that the resolution as moved be adopted. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. Consequently, the resolution is adopted unanimously. Alhamdulillah. Shukriya ji. Calling attention, Sir Kamran Sahaba, item number 3, move kijiye.
I rise to invite the attention of Minister of Finance to a matter of urgent public importance regarding the imposition of an 18% sales tax on cotton, causing grave concern among the public.
जी, Minister Parliamentary Secretary Parliamentary Affairs, आप brief statement दीजिए.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, unfortunately, it's a bitter reality कि import and local supply of genuine cotton जो है और chargeable है